Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this 6-foot artificial banana tree. Now this thing looks amazing and oh my gosh, it feels such good quality. So I'm really excited to get this all put together. I mean, from the feel and the look of all this, it just looks real. And oh my, it is heavy. It does come with a really well put together instruction guide. Looks really easy, along with the numbers even that you add up your number ones. So just simply put number one into the number one, and then we will get them all fluffed up. And then you have some extra leaves. Now the leaves are all kind of different sizes just to add to that realistic look. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this together and then we'll check it out. And here you have it. This tree is amazing. It feels so nice. Each one of these has a nice texture in it. I mean, they've even got like the little cutouts on there. So it had a little wear and tear from just being out in the wind. And these are all nice wires, so you can bend these however you want to have them. They have these nice little curly cube ones in here just to kind of add a little like life that's still coming in, the tree, maybe future branches or whatever. And because you can curve this however you want to have it, you can tilt it to whatever angle looks best in your room. This is beautiful banana tree, super realistic. You don't have to water it, you don't have to take care of it. What I've done now is all I have to do, and this can just sit in the corner and be beautiful.